Hey guys, so today we're going to show you guys how to make beautiful art. If you have a print on demand store, say you have a print on demand store and you want to make beautiful art. So what I did was I went to ChatGPT, okay, and I got Bible. I asked ChatGPT. Any of you guys don't know that, we'll create another video for you of how to use ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to get me Bible verses on proverbs about young man. So this is the one I'm going to do. So here is the Bible verse. I'm going to copy, right click copy, and then I'm going to go to Gemini. All right, all you type in, guys, all you go is gemini.google.com, and that brings you to Gemini. Now Gemini is once again free. It's made by Google. I will then put this in, okay, and I will say, Mr. Khan, too much noise in the background. I will then say, hey Gemini, please create me a nice wall art that can be uploaded to my TeePublic. And those of you guys who TeePublic is a print on demand store, so for t-shirts, mugs, cups, whatever. But I have one, and if not, we can do another video of how to create one on teepublic.com. Upload to my TeePublic store. So ensure that the dimensions is correct for easy upload to that POD. Con, you're making a lot of noise, bro. POD store. And so therefore, please put the proverb on the top of the image in nice bold white collegiate font that allows the picture to look nice and cute to be sold on my store. Now, so here it says, guys, and I'm gonna upload the image. I'm gonna go to my desktop, is where I had the image. I'm gonna go to my desktop, look for the image. Maybe I should have made it a little easier though. It was in my downloads, I think I had it. Here it is. Yeah, okay. So there's my image uploaded from my, I can't remember, from my downloads on my desktop. And then guys, you hit here, you hit right here. Oh, and then here, when thinking on Gemini, it says use this one, it seems to be better. Thinking with 3 Pro thinks with around complex topics. So that's selected. Now you hit go, and there it is, guys. You see it's being created there. Gemini is creating the image, putting the so the image was made before, sorry, as I mentioned earlier, on our desktop. And again, later we can go about where to get pretty images. Ooh, why is that done in that has been shown in Spanish? Why is that? Please do Bible verse in English. That's interesting too, for if you want to do stuff in different languages. Okay, here is the Bible verse. All right, guys, as you can see, it's creating there. So you guys can make good money just off of your faith, off what you're, look at that, guys, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Okay, guys, and then now you hit download. you download it. I mean, if you wanted to make changes, you can. If you wanted this background here to look even a little clearer, here's what I can tell Gemini. Nice, but please make the ocean and the mountains and the backdrop look more high resolution and not so grainy. Grainy means or pixelated, right? So we're giving ChatGPT instructions of how to, even better sharpen the image. And again, we've selected Thinking with Tree Pro, and again, this is all free. And there it is. It says, okay, enhancing the resolution of the ocean and the mountains for a sharper, clearer look. Here's the updated version. So, kind of don't find there's a whole lot of difference. Doesn't see a lot of difference there in the background, I don't think, but it is what it is. Okay.
You have to actually zoom it, download it, and zoom it so that you can see the clear difference, because this image is much more sharper than the previous one.
Is it? Okay.
Yes, exactly.
So let's go to where is my, are we doing, okay, we're going to do, as we said, we're doing, all right, we'll call it wall art then. We're going to call it in our wall art folder then. So you said download. Okay, and all right, so guys, if you want to edit even further, say if you want to change the font on the top there, you can change the font. Please change the font to a gold color that matches the dog. Okay, let's just see how that looks, guys, and then you choose which one of them that you like best. Download it, and then later we'll show you how to upload it to TeePublic. Okay, which one do you like best? The okay, so there is two. I like the white one better, so I'll just settle with that. So I'm going to download this. What I will tell it to do, please make the font a little larger. I should have said the white font though, because see, AI, whatever you prompt it to do, it's going to try to do what you ask it to do. That's why AI can be a great thing or can be a bad thing. It depends. Sorry, I meant to say white font.
And better consistency, Lovebird is actually much more better. This is the same. Gemini and Lovebird both are same, but for image consistency, Lovebird is better. Okay. So you can see that Gemini sometimes makes mistakes with the prompts. Okay. So it doesn't maintain consistency. Okay. So to fix that error, you just use Lovebird to create the images. Okay.
Okay, so what I'll do then is this is downloaded to our desktop, and so if you wanna, I'll take this on, it's on desktop. I will take it and I will then put it in Lovebird and ask Lovebird to sharpen the image more. Is that possible?
Yes, it's possible, but you can also use another upscaler website